back to my channel. It's your girl Selin. If you're new to my channel, you're most definitely welcome. For remembering this channel, okay, we still do makeup on this channel, guys. Okay, a lot has happened, and to God be the glory. I'm back. Okay, I'm back. I don't just come from nowhere and say, oh, I'm back, hear me, watch me. Of course, hell no. There's a very big reason for it, but I'm back. It took me a while to sit here. I've arranged my table many times, couple of times, just to film a tutorial. You know, I don't like putting out a tutorial all in the sake of I had to be consistent. You know, sometimes life happens, you cannot do otherwise than just play along and be strong and all of that. But I'm back by the grace of God. I'm 70% back, and I'm still working on myself. I'm still working on my, you know, beauty guru makeup. And yeah, so excuse this video if it's not really the video that you normally would see. It's not easy. It has been 4 good months your girl has not filmed a tutorial, and it's not easy. I always say it on my channel, this place is my happy place. Anytime I sit here, I do my thing. I'm alone here, and I just feel that I'm in another world, and in other words to say, this is my happy place. Okay, yeah, I lost my wonderful beloved dad, and yeah, so I had to travel back to Nigeria and do the needful, and I'm back. Okay, I'm back. I miss him so much. I don't want to deliberate on it too much because it's still, everything is still fresh. Just a month now, exactly a month we did the funeral, and yeah, everything is just fresh. But it has been 3 months. 3 months ago he left, and yeah, I don't want to talk too much about it. When I'm more in a better state of mind, and I will talk about it. But we are good. We are trying to be strong. We need to be strong. We are a child of God, a believer. We need to be strong. Death will come, and everyone will go someday. That is why I always tell you, do what makes you happy. Love everybody around you as much as you can, and love God as well. Okay, so without any further talking, I don't want to be too emotional. I don't want to exaggerate or deliberate on it, like I said, too much. I'm a very emotional person, period. Okay, so guys, if you want to see how I come up with this kind of holiday makeup look, and yeah, you already know what to do. Just stick around and enjoy, and please let me know. Your comment means a lot. Let me know exactly what you like in this video. You like my wig, you like my eyeshadow, you like my lashes, you like my eyebrow, you like my lip combo. Let me know. It means a lot on my video, so I can work better on my video. Next year, guys, we are going to be in another level. A lot of good things has happened. So let's just dive into this tutorial. Okay, see you. Let's do this, baby girl. Tell me what you're doing. And the palette I'll be using since I'm away from YouTube is this MAC Art Library palette. So beautiful, super friendly. I took it to Africa, to Nigeria, and yeah, but unfortunately the mirror broke. Put it inside my normal luggage. I'm not allowed to take it into my luggage, into my hand luggage. So look at the mirror. It's unfortunate, but the colors are so beautiful. You can use this palette for bridal look. You can use the color for bridal, this palette for bridal look. All the colors that you need inside this palette. When it comes to neutral, warm tone, you can have it. Super pigmented, and they are very good to work with. So this is the palette, the only palette I'm going to be using today, just to create this eye look. I'm thinking maybe I'm going to be using some of this kind of champagne gold shimmer shade. I have only 4 shimmer shade, and I have 7 matte shade. Yeah, 7. Let's just start to do our eyebrow first. Yeah, that I'm going to be taking the ABH Deep Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony. You guys know this. So to apply that, first I'm going to be taking spoolie and brush my brow into place. You guys know the drill, how we do it. Okay, So to apply the product on I'm using some quite new brushes in this tutorial. All right, I didn't find time to show you when I was doing my makeup 4 months ago, but I decided just to, you know, just squeezing into this tutorial to show you a little bit how they work very, very good. And it's a Juvia's Place, okay, Juvia's Place brush. This one is in 322 brown liner. This one right here, this is the angle brush. This is what I'm going to use to apply the product on my eyebrow, okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and take my S-Sponge loose powder and brush my eyebrow also. Hey guys, I'm trying something new, okay? Only my ring lights. Only my ring lights, alright? I'm not using my other 4 lights, okay? I'm not using my 2 back lights. I'm not using my 2 left and right front lights. I'm trying something new. So let me see how it looks, turn out, the quality, okay? Because I want to try something different. I don't want to be too always sharp. Even I know I can edit it to be cool, but at the same time I still want the light to be really minimal in a normal neutral tone. So let me know in the comment section below in case if I had to start to use my phone light again. Okay, 142 concealer buffer, this one right here. All right, and they are doing a pretty job. So I'm going to clean my upper brow when we're doing our foundation. All right, same concealer, the one I used to clean my brow bone. Proud to be back. I'm proud of myself, like for real. Okay, I'm super proud of myself. So I'm just going to, you know, set it a little bit with powder. It's not needed, but you can go ahead and do it. Okay, my transition color, I'm going to be taking this BH Cosmetic buffer brush right here, this one right here, and I'm delving into this beautiful nude shade. Anyway, we are back. I hope this video is not going to be too crappy, because if I had to make everything to be perfect, like, this video is not going to be out. But I just need to start from somewhere. Into this shade right here next to the first shade. I used this shade before, now I'm taking this one right here. Using the same brush. Going to be too dark with this look. We are just going to keep it minimal when it comes to smoking the crease or the outer crease, not too dark. Okay, burgundy, this shade dark burgundy. I'm just going to whoa, excess needs to go away. I'm just going to apply that. Inside this palette is called chocolate, I guess. Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, alright, in Sand. I'm going to conceal, not conceal, I'm going to be cutting my crease, alright? So I'm going to use my small finger to diffuse the edges right there. I don't want any sharp edge at all. Petite brush, I'm going to take this dark burgundy shade. I'm just going to apply it just like that. I'm doing this color. The Infallible 24 hours matte coverage foundation, and in cappuccino, I guess. In Sienna, sorry, 355. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and use this elf, what is it called? Elf blender brush, okay? This one right here. Yeah. I'm going to blend out the excess foundation before I go in with the primer. Taking the Benefit Pro Matte Rescue Mattifying Primer. Lancome Tate Idol in number 12, okay? This one right here. Taking this MAC Studio NW42. Going in with a Juvia's Place concealer in number 7. This beauty blender I got from MAC. I can't remember how long ago. Normally years ago, I always loved to use this beauty blender. All of a sudden I got irritated by it. Taking this Louvre brush right here just to blend out my concealer. I'm going to top it a little bit with more highlights. I'm going to be taking the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Sand, the bridge of my nose, okay, and right there, out. So you need to work fast with this product. I'm going to take my brush right here. Sponge, super dense, wet, and yeah, do everything. Finish. To go in with my MAC Studio Fix in Dark Deep. Alright, Dark Deep. That is it right there. I'm going to be taking my Malvin Cosmetic brush. I'm just going to, set my face before I go in with the setting powder. I'm going to go in with my hair spun loose powder. Press press, press, press. So guys, to set my contour, I'm just going to be bronzing my face because it's actually a bronzer. Naked Skin Ultra Definition Powder Foundation in Deep Natural. This one right here. Taking this Sephora contour brush, but it's so pigmented, just like so. A little bit goes a long way, guys. So guys, for blush, I'm going to be taking this blush by ABH, and this one is called Blush Trio, and this one is Berry Adora. I'm going to be taking this Gesto Face Definer brush. I'm going to do it like so. Mind to the gas, baby girl. I'm just going to go ahead and line my eye, fix my lashes. I'll be right back. Voila, okay? Your bag. Eyeliner, and I'm taking this beautiful shade Burgundy. So guys, for highlight, I'm going to be taking this Makeup Revolution Reloaded Eye Lighter. Too bright for my kind of person, but it's okay. I'm going to manage it. I'm going to be taking this Face Focus Sweaver brush for my liking, but I'm just going to manage it. All right. I'm going to be using two lip liner. First, I'm going to go in with the Alveda. Normally it's the eyebrow pencil, but I do use it for my lip. So yeah. I'm going to be taking the Max Factor Deep Berry in 070. Lip, I'm going to be taking the Patrick Star, not Patrick Star. I'm going to take the Jeffree Star nude lipstick in peach. I'm going to be taking the Judith Williams lip gloss. This one is in 461. Guys, what do you think? I made it to the end of this video, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and leave me a comment, and please share my video, okay? Right, leave at least comments. Let me know what you think on this look. I love it. You love the lips, you love the lashes, you love the eyeshadow. Let me know. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to see you in my next video. If you have any question, please go ahead and leave it down below. Alright, don't forget to do what makes you happy. Stay pretty and be blessed. Ciao.